Hello folks, welcome back. In previous lecture we have created a branch and we have added our own files to branches, right? In this lecture we are going to merge those two branches. We have a file 5 on master branch. At the same time, git checkout test. We have file 1 on test branch. Now I would like to add my file 1 onto master branch. Why? Because master branch is like a production branch and I have tested my test branch code. Everything is working fine. I would like to add that one. In this case, we are going to use a command called git merge. But while using git merge command, you need to be in the destination branch. Nothing but on which branch you would like to commit your changes. In this case, I would like to merge my changes onto master branch, right? So I need to be on master branch. For that, git checkout master, and now I need to execute git merge test. Whenever I do git merge test, whatever changes we have done on test branch, those get committed into the master branch. So in test branch we have file 1. We could able to see file 1 on master branch, but before executing, let me display over here as well. So git merge test. You can see here merge branch test onto the master. Yes, I want to do that one. And wq. Now you can see one file has been changed and one instruction, nothing but in that file one line is there. Now if I do git log, you can see. So this is our test branch. You can see here added file 1. Next, this is our master branch commit. We have added file 5, right? On top of that one, whenever we merge, even merge also get added as a commit. That is the reason your head is over here, where your origin master is still at the add file 5. Now you can see under master file 1 to file 5, all files are there. Even I can check it out over here. Now I can do same changes onto remote repository. Before doing that one, if I do git status, we should be ahead by 2 commits. Why? Because one is from this one is this one, another one is the merge what we have done. So we are going to do these changes onto remote repository. So git push origin master. Okay, I'm doing or I'm committing these changes onto master branch. So these commits are updated. If I go to my master branch now, so here so far I'm on test branch, I'm shifting onto master branch. We could able to see latest 6 commits, and if I open it up, you can see merge branch test into master, added file 5, added file 1. Okay, even test branch commit also appeared over here. So this is how we can update our code onto the master branch. That's all for this lecture, and see you in the next lecture.